Welcome friends, this is login screen. We are having multiple restaurant functionality. If you have more than one restaurant, you can do multiple operations from one point, i.e. back office, reporting and monitoring etc. Individual property will be visible to each user as per user right. First screen coming is shift and outlet screen, from where user can open and close outlet and shift. All outlets for which user allowed will be visible here. After entering one outlet, you will see billing screen where all other outlets are also visible. Selected outlet is fine dine where all tables are visible. Green table represent vacant and red shows occupied where at least one KOT has fired and bill not generated. If we select table 2, vacant table, all items get visible from where we can select items. We can search items by many process, like we can search by alphabetically word wise, all items get visible starting that word if anyone is there. We can search by menu, category or subcategory wise and can add items or just type name of item in search bar and add. All these can be used to find any item 1 or 2 click. You can add any special instruction on KOT to prepare item as guest choice. On fire KOT, now table 2 gets read. Same way when select table 4 and after select multiple items when fire KOT, table 4 also gets read. If any table wants to repeat order, select table, all previous KOT will be visible. Just click repeat for that KOT and click fire. Repeat order will be fired. Look, repeat KOT is being shown. If we want to transfer any KOT from one table to another due to any reason, just click transfer on KOT to be transfer. Pop-up will be open for destination table allocation. All tables is visible except source table. Select table and confirm. When we see table 10, transferred KOT is showing. If we want to transfer complete table to another table, we will select table transfer. All occupied tables will be visible. We will select source table to be transferred and select destination table, which are all vacant. This shifting may be due to increased packs or any other reason. If we want to link two occupied table for generation of one bill, select one table from source and other from destination and OK. If we want to delink table already linked, by clicking delink button we can delink tables. Without delink table, we show you billing where we select table 2 for billing, all tables linked with it being showing. If we want to see preview of will, it appear like this. If you want to apply discount, you can select it. If user wants to give discount more that his right, then next level can give discount by putting his key. If guest wants to split the bill, there is multiple mode of split. By selecting any one, you can split bill. There are many lawful reasons where tax may be exempted. Then click exempt tax, you can exempt tax. By clicking generate bill will be generated. If you want to settle bill of any table, click table and select table. Click settlement. All split bills will be appeared here. Any bill can be settled by single or multiple payment mode, means partially through one mode and balance through other mode. As bill settled, table 2 and 4 get green again, open for new order. Thank you.